Have you ever wondered what ISK means? A common slang term on Snapchat. Most times, ISK is simply a typo of IDK, which means I don't know, though some may be spelling it wrong on purpose. If that's the case, it may be shorthand for I should know, which can be used either as a placeholder when you don't know what to say, or if you're trying to humble brag. It's also possible that it's being used as an abbreviation for I suck. If it's typed over and over again, ISK, ISK, ISK is a way people on Snapchat get across that they're mashing, or senselessly hitting their keyboard keys. Basically, they're overwhelmed with a fit of inspiration, or trying to express excitement. Sometimes, it's even used to signify forgiveness or show confusion. In rare cases, ISK means it's okay, I forgive you. Next time you see ISK on Snapchat, you'll know exactly what it means.